We meet regularly as a team, and we talk about issues on the shop floor that are impacting employees. And one of the identified issues or concerns was the removal and application of car and locomotive couplers. They can be pretty heavy, and you have to do a lot of manual lifting, slings, and counterweights. There's a lot of pinch points and risks. So they identified this as a hazard, and they wanted to see if they could have a solution to eliminate that hazard. There wasn't a railway industry standard, so we had to engineer a solution that required the least amount of manual intervention or none at all. So we really would minimize or reduce the risk of that task. We have locomotives and cars, and we have many different types of vehicles. So to have a single type of device that could work for all the different kinds of couplers that we remove and apply, it was probably the hardest part. There was a lot of pride in what we accomplished, and the fact that it was so much easier and safer than the method we used before. We immediately started to film and take videos and promoted it across the country so that they could do the same. And we showed the different shops, and they were all asking us where we can get it. And the best part for me was the way it was brought to our attention. We used kind of the vehicles that we have and the platforms that we do have with our employees to voice a concern, and empowered supervisors, employees, management staff to form a solution. And then everybody was involved. The supplier would come on site. They'd make some tweaks. I followed up pretty much weekly with my management staff on progress and made sure that we didn't lose sight of the initiative, and followed it all the way through from concept to completion this year. So it was constant follow-up and using all of our resources, engineers, continuous improvement, the employees on the shop floor, the supervisors, the managers, all work together hand in hand to get this done.